Hello everyone, this is Kaushik and today we are going to learn how to handle session using PHP. So don't waste our time and let's go to the code. So first of all, what we are going to do, we need a XAMPP server. I hope you all know about the XAMPP server. That is the XAMPP is a localhost server, and this is my XAMPP folder. I know. And where is my XAMPP is located? XAMPP is located in the C drive. I open the XAMPP, and there is a folder that is htdocs. So open the htdocs, and here we are going to create a new folder that is session underscore php. Okay, the spell. Okay, yes, done. So open the folder and right click on that folder, and is the blank space. So open with code. So this is the VS Code editor, very good editor for writing a code. So simply here we are going to like here we are going to open create a new PHP file which will be index.php and press enter. Okay, and close this all, cancel. Okay, fine. So in an index.php, what I'm going to do, I'm going to write a HTML code. Okay, simple HTML code, whatever. Okay, done. So here I'm going to put a name, a title name, index page, or we can say it will be a home page or home, simple home, right? And coming to the body, don't need to write too many HTML code. Simply we are going to create a anchor tag over here. So the anchor tag, write a and close the tag, and here we are. Okay, and this anchor having attribute that is href. Okay, equal to for now blank, and into the hr we're going to write h1 tag, and close the h1 over here, and simply write login from here. So what we need to do, what is the purpose to use the anchor tag to write login from over here, because we are going to learn session. Where is the session? Yes, the session is coming. The session is coming. So what we need to do, actually, first the index page, let me run the code first. I'm going to write localhost and write session underscore php. Okay, so you will get to see login from here. Fine. So when the first thing is when I need to use session, so is a basic concept of php, a basic concept of login form. Whenever someone is going to log in, we need to put the data in a session. Okay, why? The question, the answer is coming. Okay, at the end of the video we will get to know why the session is important when a user is logged in. Okay, so let's do the code. So here I'm click on the login in the form, and it is just redirecting the the same page, the index page. See, it is redirecting to the same page. But here what we need to do, we have to write a action or anchor href, that is login.php. It means when I click on the login from here, and it will go to the login.php, where a form is there, with the two input fields that can be username or password, right? So let me go back to the code and refresh and click on the login from here. And here the PHP says object not found and the URL is not found. Yes, definitely the URL is was not found and the server is true.